Recently we were approached with a pretty large project of some parts we had made in the past. We needed to be able to run 4 op1s across 4 machines at the same time because we're talking about some really long run cycles. We were able to put together a competitive bid adding these 4 VF-2YTs, and we're excited to get rolling on that and then have this capability to be able to deliver faster in the future. Hi, I'm John Siegel. I'm the general manager here at S&S Tool Machine Company. I'm the 3rd generation. Grandpa started this business in 1967. My dad ran the business for about 30 years before I took over the 1st of 2024. Our relationship with Haas began in 2016. We were approached with a pretty complex aerospace project. At the time, we were limited to 3-axis milling, and we knew we were going to have to take that step to 5-axis milling. And that project allowed us to do that with these Haas 750 UMCs. So that project lasted about 2 to 3 years, and once that wrapped up, we've continued to use those capabilities to approach even more complex projects. Here at S&S, we typically look for small run jobs, 2 to 3 parts. We do prototype parts as well, where we're talking about 1 piece. But what we've seen recently is some of these parts that we've ran in the past, we're seeing a higher demand for maybe a run of 30 or 40 of them. And we just knew that if we were going to venture into that area, we were going to need to increase our capacity, and this allows us to do so.
When most people hear of a cell system, they think high volume production. No, we're looking at a cell system for prototypes. One of our parts might have 400 or 500 hours machine time on it. And because of that, it ties up that spindle for that amount of time. So the way to combat that is multiple spindles. My name's Fred Siegel. I'm a vice president here at S&S Tool and Machine Company. When I go to see a new customer, what I present to them is, give me your hardest job. Give me the job no one else wants to do, the job everybody else no quotes. That is the job that I can excel on. We've had something on virtually every satellite in the last 30 years that went into space. The new Artemis program with the Orion space capsule, S&S Tool was one of the top 10 manufacturers of the hardware for the capsule itself. We machine a lot of exotic materials, waspaloy, hastelloy, titanium, Inconel, Rene 88. The customers today have pushed the limits of materials, which the machines have to be able to pick up that slack.
The machines have been incredible. They've delivered on everything we've asked them to do. The Haas factory outlet has been an excellent partner for maintenance, and Phil Hamming, our rep, been an excellent partner as well, and always meeting our needs and coming here on the drop of a hat to look at projects with us and explore more options as we go down the road.